Hi guys, in deep learning experiment 6, it's all about LSTM model, long short-term memory. In this, first we are importing the TensorFlow, NumPy, and few keras utilizers like uh, pad sequences and two categorical. TensorFlow, we already know that is to build and train our model. NumPy to handle our numerical data, pad sequence make sure all input sequence have the same length. To categorical, it converts in a one hot encoder format, which is needed for training. Then we are pre-processing the data. Before that, we are loading we are importing a text called text equal to hello world. This is a test. This is only a test. It's a sample example word. Then we are pre-processing it. During pre-processing, we take all the unique characteristic in that particular text, and assign each character a number for through char to idx maps. It maps characters to numbers, idx to char, help convert those number back into characters. Like for example, a is assigned to 1, and that is called char to idx. In idx to char, 1 is assigned to again a. It is a process that had been followed. Then we also set a sequence length here equal to 50. Here we are training it. In this, this means we take 50 character at a time to help the model predict the next character. Uh, to make a training faster, we use only a small part, Shakespeare text. Through Shakespeare text, we are proceeding this project. It's the Shakespeare text is all about 1 lakh characters. Then we loop through the text and create a sequence. We are looping through the text and we are creating a sequence. After that, creating an input and a target. Here x equal to all the characters, that is nothing but an input. Y equal to the predictor, the next character, or it's also called as output. When we then convert y into a categorical format to categorical, we predict y equal to categorical. See, it's here, y equal to 2 categorical. Then we then convert y into a categorical format, that is nothing but 2 categorical. Is if there is not enough text to make sequence, we skip training. It's just safety check. It's just a demo check or safety check to ensure that uh, our string is properly converted or properly processed. Through 5 approaches, we are training our model, and each approach has followed a certain models. Like say here web is equal to process 0, so we are showing all the process that has been done. They step by step, each approach, the accuracy level is increasing. If we increase the size, approach size equal to 10 or 20, the model accuracy will be much better than now, and the loss is also decreasing. And the finally the generated text is given in a short test yes. The process has been so simple. Using a sorry using a Shakespeare data set, we are processing this process. After that, we are further creating the input and target in building a LSTM model. This process is to build a LSTM model. See, in this process, the same process, but the input text is not directly as a text, but as a Shakespeare dataset. Here we are directly importing the Shakespeare dataset. After that, we are trained the model with the 5 approaches. Same process has been repeated. That is a sample text, and here the whole Shakespeare dataset is imported, which is nothing but the same process has been repeated. If the size is greater than 0, we are going to proceed with the Keras TensorFlow Keras models with the LSTM, with the help of LSTM and activation function of softmax. Other than this, We the same five approaches has been used here. The batch size is 64, which helps to see how long the model accuracy is been predicted, processed, and etc. Other than the now see the generated text from the Shakespeare is to be or not to be, and the just we are following a how we are processing a generated text. It's a simple process. We define a function called generate text. After that, it starts with some seed text like to be or not to be. Then it repeatedly predict the next character. Convert the seed text into a numbers, pad into the right line, uses the model to predict the next character. Using these models to predict the next character, add the character to the seed text. Seed text is nothing but a if we I'm example if I generating a text A, then A means A for after the A what letter should be added, and or for a word, first word is a I, then the next word should be am or is, I am, like that. What word that should be predicted, that or comes under the first word, that will be predicted using LSTM model and this process. Thank you. Thank you.